Computers. Computers are the most used workstations. They made our life easy. We can do our office tasks at home due to having a computer. To use a computer, we need an operating system. And today's world, and the most used operating system is the Windows. And Windows 10 is the latest version. We use many other operating systems like the Mac, Chrome, but Microsoft Windows is the highly used operating system. Today I'm gonna teach you how to install Windows 10 in your PC, but that is different from installing other software in your PC. For installing Windows 10, I need to insert the CD inside my PC. CD is not inserted. I'm starting my Windows up. Okay, Windows is starting up. You can see I have already installed Windows 10 in my PC, but this is not a genuine one, so I'm gonna install the genuine one now. So I'm refreshing it first. Before installing Windows, you will need to know that what is the architecture of your PC. I mean by the processor in your PC, how many bit. In my case, this is 64-bit. I'm gonna install 64-bit Windows 10 Pro. So I've inserted the CD, you can see. Okay, the CD is inserted. Now I'm simply going to shut my Windows down. Computer down, sorry. Computer shutting down. Computer has been shut down. I'm waiting for the light to be off. So you see the light is off. I'm starting it again. This time give the function 9 button, press and again and again. I'm pressing the function 9 button. This is the boot order. Change the boot order. You will see the options: internal CD-ROM drive, navigation key. I'm selecting it to the navigation key and enter. So CD-ROM drive, there is my Windows which I'm gonna install. If you don't have a CD-ROM drive in your PC, internal drive, then you can use the USB one, or you can use a USB flash drive. You can download Windows 10 from there, from the internet, and store in the USB flash drive. Then you will do the same process. So here I see wanting the language which I want to install. This is English US. Pressing next. So this is install now. Setup is starting. Simply Windows is the best and the highly used operating system here. This thing is just matter of time. Windows 10 Pro, you can see the 64 architecture. Yeah, I found it. Windows 10 Pro. Selecting it and next. Yes, I accept the terms, license and license terms. custom set it. Here I said partition 2, which is my C drive, because I get recognized it 131 GB. This is my C drive primary type. Okay, I'm selecting it first. Windows cannot be installed without a flash drive, so I'm deleting all the information in my C drive. So my C drive is seen as an unlocated space there. Now I set it to new to locate it first. Apply. Okay, now it's again. So partition 2 is selected. I'm gonna select next. You can see selected next. So the next process is totally automatic. You can do some other tasks like listening song, or if you have any other tasks, you can go for that. Simply getting files ready for installation. 11%, 90%. I've just cut those parts out from my video. This does not go boring. Okay, you can see 90%, 94%, 95%. Yeah, here is it, 100%. Now installing features. Next task will be installing updates. Installing updates is done. Probably, yeah, done. Going to finish up. Windows need to restart to continue. This will restart in 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and Windows is restarting. I'm not going to press any key this time. No pressing, just simply watch. Starting by itself. Just keep waiting, you have nothing to do in this case. Getting devices ready. It's quite fast. Getting ready. So do not touch any key. So see, it's time for enter the product key. I don't have any product key now. I'm gonna activate it some other task, so do it later. Going fast. Just a moment. Just a moment, wait for some time. This will automatically do by itself. Okay. So it's going to use this PC. I'm just inserting my name. I'm not gonna use any password in my PC. But if you have private information to store on your PC, you can set password. That will be much more secure for your private information. Saying hi. Hi. They are setting things up for me. Let them roll. It doesn't take long setting up your apps, but they're setting those apps. Taking care of few things. Let's start. You found that Windows 10 is successfully installed. Now I'm going to set up for some things. First I'm going to refresh it. Okay, going to the settings. All settings. Now this is a personalization. Desktop icon settings. I'm gonna insert those icons which I need. Computer, user files, control panel. I want them on my desktop, so I'm setting that up. With back, system, advanced display setting. Here I'm going to set the resolution. They recommend those, but I'm going to set it on the higher resolution. Keep changes. Okay, I'm done setup here. Now I'm gonna install those driver software for my PC. I have the backup of my driver software. Okay, extracting that DVD. I don't need it now. So the local disk, I have give the backup of those driver software. I'm going to simply install them. Now the task is remaining for this time. Simply install those driver software of Intel HD graphics, NVIDIA GeForce graphics, and the Synapses mouse touchpad. Those will do. Thanks for watching, and keep me subscribed for getting much more interesting videos on incredible feature.